Hi guys, welcome to this course on analyzing hotel financial statements from Hotel Management School. My name is Manish Gupta. This course is about learning the hotel's financial statements, the basics of hotel financial statements, what is the revenue, what are the expenses, what are the standard formats prescribed by usually, and how do we analyze them. There is a step-by-step approach how we analyze and understand the hotel's financial statements. So we're going to be learning all that into the course. How do we understand the trend analysis? How do we do the ratio analysis? What are the revenue reports that we normally use in understanding hotel financial statements? What are the expense reports that we used? And then we also will look at a sample hotels P&L so that you can understand. You can always ask questions whenever you are not clear about that. You can ask, you can submit the assignments. The course has a couple of assignments that you need to submit so that we can confirm that you have understood whatever it needed to be understood from the course. Thank you very much, and hope you will enjoy the course.